Which electric dirt bike is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Yozma IN10 Electric Dirt Bike, Red. First up is the Yozma IN10 Electric Dirt Bike in red, priced at $1,199. This bike caught my attention with its bold design and impressive specs. If you want a sturdy and high-performance dirt bike, this one is worth a serious look. That means you can cruise over steep slopes up to 30 degrees without breaking a sweat. Plus, with a removable 48V23Ah battery, you get a solid range of up to 53 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for long rides. The full hydraulic brakes provide reliable stopping power even in muddy conditions, so you can ride with confidence. Now, some users mention that the bike can be heavy at 110 pounds, which might be a concern for beginners. But here's the thing. The weight actually adds stability and durability, which is a plus for those who are serious about off-roading. This is perfect for you if you're an adventurous rider looking for speed and reliability. Skip this one if you prefer lighter bikes or are a complete beginner looking for something more manageable. For the price, you're getting a lot of bike for your buck. Now, if the weight of the Yozma IN10 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Yozma IN10 Electric Dirt Bike, Black. Next is the Yozma IN10 in black, priced at $1,299. It shares many features with the red version, but the sleek black finish truly stands out. If you want the same performance with a different look, this is definitely worth considering. Just like the red version, this bike has that 2600W motor and can hit 40 mph. The battery still offers up to 53 miles of range, giving you plenty of power for those extended adventures. The hydraulic brakes and full suspension setup ensure you can tackle rough terrain smoothly and safely. However, a few people noted that the assembly can be a bit tricky, requiring some time and tools. But honestly, once you get it set up, the fun really begins. The performance outweighs that initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish bike that delivers top-tier performance. Skip this if you're not ready to get your hands a little dirty with assembly. Overall, for just a bit more cash, you get a bike that looks great and rides even better. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a powerful off-road experience. Product number 3, Tutio Electric Dirt Bike. Now let's check out the Tutio Electric Dirt Bike, priced at $1,139. The first thing that caught my eye was its vibrant orange color and the promise of serious power. If you're after a thrilling ride with impressive torque, this is worth a serious look. It's capable of reaching speeds of 37 mph, which is exhilarating for any off-roading enthusiast. Plus, the 48V21Ah battery offers a decent range of 35–43 miles, depending on your riding style and terrain. You can fully charge it in just 6–7 hours, which is pretty convenient. However, some riders mention that the bike could feel a bit bulky during tight turns. But here's the thing, that stability is what makes it great for rough terrains, so it's really a trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're looking for power and torque on your rides. Skip this one if you prefer a lightweight option or are just starting out. For its performance, it's an excellent deal in the electric dirt bike market. Now, if you're looking for something even more feature-rich, let's look at the next option. Product number 4, DTTZH F6 Electric Bike. Next up is the DTTZH F6 Electric Bike, priced at $548.99. What really caught my attention here is the NFC unlock feature, no more fumbling for keys. If you want something that combines convenience and performance, this bike should be on your radar. The 48V15Ah removable battery offers a range of about 24 miles purely electric and up to 60 miles with pedal assist. Plus, the full suspension and fat tires ensure a comfortable ride on all types of terrain. However, some users pointed out that the battery range could be shorter than expected with aggressive riding styles. But honestly, if you plan your routes wisely, you can still enjoy a long day out without worrying too much. This is perfect for you if you want a bike that balances performance with everyday usability. Skip this one if you're only looking for high-speed performance. For the price, it's a fantastic value considering the features you're getting. Now, if you want something that really emphasizes speed and power, let's move to the final product. Product number 5, DTTZH F6S electric bike. Lastly, we have the DTTZH F6S electric bike, priced at $548.99. This model features some impressive tech, including a color LCD display and fast charging capabilities. If you desire a bike that merges tech with performance, this one's a must-see. That's incredible for those long rides you've been dreaming about. Plus, the full suspension and wide tires give you great stability on rough paths. However, some users found the initial setup a bit challenging due to its advanced features. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate all the tech that comes with it. This is perfect for you if you're a tech-savvy rider looking for performance and features. Skip this one if you're less comfortable with advanced setups. For its price and features, it's an outstanding choice in the electric dirt bike landscape. So to wrap it up, we've looked at the Yosma IN10 in red and black, the powerful Tutio electric dirt bike, and the tech-savvy DTTZH F6 and F6S models. Each bike has its unique strengths, whether it's performance, style, or tech features. Choose one that fits your adventure style best, and happy riding.